Hey folks, Ed Mathews here. Welcome back. Did you know that 90% of all millionaires built their wealth through real estate? Do I have your attention? Good. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can start your real estate investing journey and build your path to financial freedom. We're diving into the best strategies I know for real estate investing, especially if you're just getting started. Many new investors struggle with where to start. Real estate can be totally overwhelming with so many options and decisions to make. Should I go for single-family homes or multifamily or another asset class? How do I find a good deal? What is a good deal? How do I secure financing? Don't worry, we've all been there. So instead of getting wrapped around the axle here, think about it in terms of your ultimate goal. With most investors I meet, it really comes down to one of two primary objectives. One, I like my job and I just want to save for retirement. Or two, I don't like my job and I want to build a cash surplus and be able to create cash flow to get out of the corporate rat race as soon as humanly possible. So for those of you who simply want to build wealth for retirement, here are a few key strategies to help you get started in real estate investing. First, you can become a private lender using your IRA. By loaning money to real estate investors, you can grow your retirement fund while earning passive income, all within a tax-advantaged vehicle. Second, you can invest in a joint venture. If you're not ready to go solo, you can simply partner with an experienced operator in a joint venture. You can learn the ropes while gaining access to larger, more lucrative deals, all the while getting guidance from somebody who's already been there and done that before. Third, you can join a syndication as a limited partner so you can be more passive. Similar to a JV, you'll invest alongside others in a larger property deal, but you won't have to manage the day-to-day operations, all the while still enjoying, potentially, some significant returns. If you're looking to escape the rat race and have time to be a more active investor, in addition to the ideas above, you can also consider following strategies to jumpstart your real estate investing journey. First, you can buy a multifamily, a 3 to 4 unit property. This gives you the benefits of multiple streams of income while limiting your exposure to risk. It's also an excellent way to build a steady cash flow, experience property management, which is not for everybody, and over time, build wealth as the property appreciates. Second, if you're ready for a bigger investment, consider purchasing an apartment building, 6 units or above. This allows you to scale your portfolio faster, generate multiple streams of income from those units, take advantage of the benefits of multifamily investing, including reduced vacancy risk, higher cash flow potential, and obviously tax advantages. And obviously you also get the appreciation over time. And then third, if you're more hands-on, consider flipping a distressed property. Buy that ugly house, rehab it, and sell it for a profit. With the right approach, this can be a relatively quick way to build capital for future investments. So if you take anything away from this video, here's the key insight. I want you to remember successful real estate investing is not as passive as most people want you to believe, right? You got to get clear about your goal, be realistic about the time you have to manage and spend time on those projects. So to wrap things up, as always, remember the importance of education, careful planning, and patience when starting your real estate journey. These factors will certainly help you get ahead of the game and will help you make smart, profitable investments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe below for more real estate investing tips. And if you're ready to dive deeper, check out my next video on the common real estate investing pitfalls you need to avoid. See you on the next one.